Hi students, today's class I will be teaching you one sum, how to pass the journal entries for the money which is received from the shareholders. Let's move on to the sums. Question number 1, page number 257 from your textbook. You can just look on to the screen for the question. What's the screen? I'll read the question. You understand? Then we'll go to the how to pass the journal entries. Question number 1. Progress Limited issued 50,000 ordinary shares of rupees 10 each, payable rupees 2 on application, rupees 4 on allotment, rupees 2 on first call and rupees 2 on final call. All the shares are subscribed and the amount was duly received. Pass journal entries. All the shares are subscribed and amount was duly received. Pass journal entries. Yes children, first you must see what is the main thing you have to watch in the question is that you have to see how many shares issued. So in this question 50,000 shares are issued. Next thing you must see what is the face value. The face value of one share is per share is rupees 10. Then third thing what you have to see is that how many shares are subscribed. That is very important. Issued is 50,000 shares. How much is subscribed? All shares are subscribed. So it is understood what is issued is 50,000. Same 50,000 shares are subscribed. Okay. So these are the things you have to carefully go through before moving on to the sums. So let's go to the journal entries. Now what is the first entry you have to do? So you have to see what is the money, how much money is collected for application. So look to the question. Payable rupees 2 on application. So one share, for one share, how much money you have to pay? 2 rupees. So for 50,000, what is the application money? 50,000 shares into rupees 2. Okay. So first entry, question number 1. First entry is the receipt of application money, that is bank account data to share application account, bank account data to equity share application account. Now why I am writing the word equity here? Because it is given in the question ordinary shares. What is the other name for equity shares? Ordinary shares. Since it is mentioned, I am writing is that as equity. Suppose nothing is mentioned means you need not write anything. You can just write to share application. Is it clear? So 50,000 shares. 50,000 shares into rupees 2. So this you can put it in the margin. 50,000 shares into rupees 2, that will give 1 lakh. Okay. So here you must write application money received. Now this money what is received on application, that should be transferred to share capital. That is the second entry. So for transfer entry you have to write like this: equity share application account data to equity share capital. Again the same amount 1 lakh. Application money transferred to share capital. Okay. First is the receipt of application money for 50,000 shares. One application is 2 rupees. So 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh. Then this money should be transferred to share capital, equity share application account data to equity share capital account. So that the same amount you have to copy. Okay. Next we will go to the allotment money due entry. See the question. How much money is collected on allotment? Rupees 4 on allotment. So allotment money is due. Next entry, equity share allotment account data to equity share capital. Allotment money is rupees 4. Again how many shares? 50,000 shares. 50,000 into 4, that is 2 lakh. Allotment money due. Now allotment money is due. Next is the receipt of allotment. So in the question it is given that all money received. So there is no arrears here. So when you receive the money, you have to write like this: bank account data to equity share allotment. The same amount copied down, 2 lakhs allotment money received. Next, look to the question. Next is the first call. How much is the first call? Rupees 2. Next is the first call. First call money due. So again you have to write like this: equity share first call account data to equity share capital. Again, how many shares? 50,000 shares into 2 rupees first call money. So that is 1 lakh first call money due. Next is the receipt of first call money. Bank account data to equity share first call account. Again the same amount, 1 lakh first call money received. Okay, first call money is due, so you have to write like this: equity share first call account data to equity share capital. Then when the money is received, debit what comes in? Bank account data to equity share first call. So the amount is 1 lakh. Next, what is the next one? So the next is the final call. So the final call also the same thing: equity share final call account data 1 lakh. Why I am writing here 1 lakh? Final call also rupees 2 only. So 50,000 into 2, again 1 lakh. So here this is final call. Call money due. Final call money due. Then the next entry is receipt of the call money. For that what you have to do? Bank account data to equity share final call. Final call account. Then final call money received. You understood? Equity share final call account data to equity share capital. Final call money due. When the money is received, bank account data to equity share final call. Hope you understood. So the first entry is for receipt of application, then transfer of application money to share capital. Next entry is allotment money due, then allotment money received, then first call money due, first call money received, then final call money due, then final call money received. So these are the things you have to, these are the entries you have to pass for the given question. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.